So the first texture I want to show you is what I call melody and chord doubling. It's where you play the melody in your right hand, and then in your left hand you're going to play the chord, whichever chord you choose, and you're going to play it to the same rhythm as the melody. Now this is especially effective when you double the melody in an octave, like this. Now you wouldn't play the whole song like this, but it's just very effective to play 8 bars or 4 bars even, just in this texture. Now in the left hand, I usually use either a literal voicing or a rootless chord voicing. So basically you're limited to chord voicings that can be played in one hand, and that's only going to be these literal voicings or closed voicings. You can play these in any inversion. Usually I play them in root position or second inversion. So this is a C major 7 chord. You can play it like this, or in second inversion like this. So here on Fly Me to the Moon, I'm just using literal voicings. So we start with an A minor 7. I play it in second inversion here, which means you just take the top 2 notes and move them down an octave, like this. And then we go to a D minor 7 chord. I just go to the closest voicing, which is going to be root position. Then we go to G dominant 7. So I play it in second inversion, just to minimize the hand movement. And then C major 7, root position. So when I play this style, I'm either using literal voicings, like this, or I'm using rootless chord voicings, like this. So this can just be used for short sections, like 2 bars or 4 bars, and then you can go back to your other style of playing. Now to go with this lesson, I'm giving away my 29 Jazz Licks sheet music. This is 5 pages of my best licks, and to download it for free, just click on the link below.